Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about the Lewis acid-base concept. Lewis acid-base concept. We have discussed about the Arrhenius acid-base concept, the Bronsted-Lowry acid concept in the previous lecture. In this lecture we will discuss the Lewis acid-base concept. The Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry acid-base concept was about the proton donor or hydrogen ion in aqueous and non-aqueous solution respectively. The Arrhenius concept was that acid give us hydrogen ion in aqueous solution and base give us hydroxyl ion in aqueous solution. The Bronsted-Lowry concept was about that acid is a proton donor. This is a proton or hydrogen ion, while base is a proton acceptor. So acid is a proton donor. Acid is a proton donor, while base is a proton acceptor. So in this, but there were some limitations of Arrhenius and Bronsted-Lowry concept. There were some compound in which there was no hydrogen ion. So this type of compound was solved by Lewis. He proposed his acid-base concept in 1923 about the acid and base. So what was the Lewis acid-base concept? According to Lewis, those substances which give electron pair to other substances are called Lewis base, while those substances which accept electron pair from other substances are called electron pair from other substances are called Lewis acid. Lewis base are those substances which give electron pair to other substances, while Lewis acid are those substances which accept electron pair from other substances. Electron pair is nothing but 2 electrons. So mostly the ion, positive ion like sodium ion, hydrogen ion, calcium ion, magnesium ion, these are the Lewis acid. These are also electron loving substances or electrophile. So electrophile are Lewis acid or electrophile. Similarly, those substances like hydroxyl ion, water, ammonia, or chloride ion, iodide ion, similarly the ether, these are all, similarly the alcohol, these are all the Arrhenius, these are all the Lewis bases, while these positive ion are Lewis acids. So we will see some example about it. Suppose we have ammonia which reacts with boron trichloride. This is BF3. It reacts with ammonia, NH3. Ammonia is one lone pair of electrons. So BF3, and this is the. So in this case, the ammonia gives 2 electrons to the BF3. So ammonia is Lewis base, while boron trichloride is accepting that 2 electron or electron pair. So boron trichloride is Lewis acid, and the bond which is formed in which electron pair is shared by one atom is called the coordinate covalent bond. That type of bond in which the lone pair pair of electron is shared by one atom of the one atom is called the coordinate covalent bond. So coordinate covalent bond is formed in this case. Similarly, this is the water. Suppose this is the hydrogen ion and this is the water. This is the in this case the lone pair of electron is dominated by water. So water is Lewis base while the hydrogen ion is Lewis acid. So Lewis acid is electrophile while Lewis base is nucleophile. So there are many compounds which can be acted as Lewis acid and bases. Thanks. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe.